Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Melinda, Detha, Angga, Dewi. I'm from the fourth semester. In this video, I will presentation about phenomenological research. The subchapter about this presentation is the first, about definition, the second, about three elements of phenomenology, the third about purpose of phenomenological research, the fourth about five elements of phenomenological research, the fifth about types of phenomenology, and the last about phenomenological methodology. The first, about definition. What is phenomenological research? Before we continue for the definition, I will give short explain about what is research. Research from two syllables, re and search. The dictionary defines the form re as a prefix, meaning again, anew, or over again, and search the letter as a verb meanings to examine closely and carefully, to test and try, or to probe. Okay, we can continue about phenomenological research definition. Phenomenological is an approach to qualitative research that's focused on the commonality of a life experience within a particular group. The fundamental goal of the approach is to arrive at a description of the nature of the particular phenomenon. And other definition about phenomenology is whereas a narrative study report the life of a single individual, a phenomenological study describe the meaning of several individuals of their life experience, blah blah blah. Next, we move to three elements of phenomenology. The three elements is the first, the study of the lived experience of person. The second, experience is a conscious process. And the last, the development of interpretation of the essence of this experience. Next, we move to purpose of the phenomenological research. The purpose is to illuminate the specific, to identify phenomena through how they are perceived by the actor in situation. I think all research have purpose. And the next, pure phenomenological research seeks essentially to describe rather than explain, and to start from a perspective free from hypothesis of preconception. This argument from Husserl, 1970. And next we move to five elements of phenomenological research. Five elements is 1. Identification of a shared experience. 2. Phenomenological research attempts to locate the universal nature of an experience. 3. Attempt to identify shared experience among various individual experiencing the same phenomena. Fourth, attempt to locate the essence of the experience. And the last is the account of their experience include have two part. One, what was experience, and the other part is how they experience it. Next, we move to types of phenomenology. The types of phenomenology have two parts. First, hermeneutic phenomenology. That is the interpretation of the meaning and significance one's experience with a phenomenon. And the second type is transcendental or psychological phenomenology. Have two part. Part 1, transcendental. Everything is perceived freshly, as if for the first time. And the second part is the focus shift from research interpretations to participant description. Next, we move to phenomenological methodology. Methodology. Phenomenological methodology have 5 parts. 1. Identify phenomena. Second, record and interpret research bias and expectation. The third, data collection. The fourth, reduction or identification of salience of seminal point of interpretation. And the last, description of them. Description of them have 3 parts. Textural description, what participant experience. Structure description, how participant experience. And essence of the experience, combination of both textural and structural description. Next, in the human sphere, this normally translates into gathering deep information and perception through inductive, qualitative methods such as interview, discussion, participant observation, and representing it from the perspective of the research participants. In the last slide, I give 2 examples about topic appropriate for phenomenological research. The topic 1 about human life experience like happiness, fear, being there, commitment, being a chairperson or head nurse, meaning or status of student. And the second topic appropriate for phenomenological research is health-related topic like meaning of pain, living with chronic illness, and of-life issue. I think enough for this presentation. I'm so sorry if very noisy in there. And the last is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.